As a company, we offer a wide array of tools that fit many needs that you as an agent have. But have you ever wondered what tool fits your daily activity? Let's say you're prospecting. What tools does the company offer for prospecting? If you're working with buyers and you're working with sellers. Today, we'll take the business activities you do and show you the best tool that supports that activity. Let's look into it. As you log into ACE, you're probably very familiar. You see these tiles here called for prospecting, working with buyers, working with sellers. We've called this in the past day in the life of you, the agent. So let's walk through this, right? So if you click on prospecting, let's say you want to get into tools with prospecting. Click on prospecting. There are different types of prospecting that are available. Sphere of influence, farming, buyers, FISBO expireds, cold leads, or networking. And when you get into sphere of influence, prospecting, and as you walk down this, you'll see we recommend the best tool we offer in that arena. So if you want to build your database, focus on BHHS Connect. And here you'll see some getting started tutorials and a helpful video or two. And if you want to do custom email marketing, we offer ActivePipe. If you want to do monthly home valuation report, there's a property snapshot. So instead of focusing on what does this tool do, let's focus on what you do as the agent and see the tool that best supports it. And you can walk down farming, you'll see Cold Realty Resource, same thing here. Different types of farming, you want to build your database, you want to print market, you want to target neighborhood farm. All of those things are here. So now, same concept. If you go here, you'll see working with buyers, working with sellers. Also, right on the day in the life site, under prospecting, you can hit that drop-down menu and go to working with buyers. So let's look at buyers here. Moxie Present is what we recommend if you're working with a buyer, and there's different stages that you work with buyers, right? There's a buyer meeting, introductory consultation, home search, offer to close, and post-closing. So if you click on offer to close, there's the market analysis, making an offer, buyer closing checklist. All of those come in here. Now let's go into working with sellers. And this is probably pre-listing, Moxie Present, market reports, local insights. So this should give you a way for you to understand activities you do as an agent and the tool that we offer that supports that type of activity. And when you go into listing presentation, as you can see, some tools appear in multiple spots. But instead of thinking of that, just focus on the activity you want to do and find the best tool that supports it. And you go under active listing. This is probably our biggest list because there's a lot of things that happen automatically, or you can use concierge services, email marketing, and so on and so forth. So the next time you log into ACE, as you do here, I want you to pay attention. If you're looking for the tool, look for the activity you want to do, and then go see the best tool that supports it. And as always, if you know the tool, you know what it does, you can just simply search, which many of you are used to. And the last thing I want to point you to is our education department has a tab here, education. And I want to call out the education roadmap. And this was also built on the same time, at the same time as the day in the life. And you'll see there's different types of agents because one training doesn't fit all. So there's for new agents, we have a launch, growth agent, intermediate, experts, and tech type of agents. If you go down here, you can see specific roadmaps our education team recommends for the type of agent you are, because different strokes is for different folks, and that is customizable to the extent possible. So pay some attention to that. So I wanted to share that working with prospects, prospecting, working with buyers, working with sellers, and the tool that best supports it that we offer today. Pay attention to it and hope that helps. Have a great week, everybody.